Coach, nagpaplano na po kami ng aking wife to get our own home. Ano pong masasuggest nyo? Should we rent first or we go with buying it kagad-agad? I believe this is applicable to everyone, especially for those na magdi-decide pa lang on getting their own home for themselves or for their family or their spouse. Maganda po ito kasi mapag-uusapan natin siya as a group and tulungan po tayo sa mga tips na pwede nating mabigay kay sir. Everyone agrees naman po that getting a home is a major financial decision na dumadaan sa ating buhay. Let's identify what are the pros and cons of renting or buying a home. So going to rent, renting our home or our shelter means na meron tayong plano in the future to establish our own house. Pero yun nga, hindi pa natin alam kasi kung saan. Nagre-renta tayo, it gives us that flexibility whenever we want to go somewhere na lumipat, then pwede natin siyang iwanan lang. Of course, kung depende naman po yan sa contract nyo sa nagpaparenta, It gives you flexibility, go somewhere pa kung gusto nyo lumipat. Lalo na kung single pa po tayo, medyo career person tayo na hindi pa natin sure kung saan tayo mag-establish, then we have that flexibility kung nagre-rent pa lang tayo. While kung doon naman sa pag-buying our own house na, wala na tayong choice kasi nag-establish na tayo doon sa specific na location na yun. So when it comes to deciding finally to purchase our own home, dapat decided na talaga tayo once and for all kung nasa lugar na to mag-establish ng family mo. Now, going back to rental, syempre, we don't own the place. So, may discretion yung may-ari to increase the rent eventually. So, normally, after 1 year or 2 years, nag-escalation sila. That's a reality sa pagre-rental na hindi talaga natin yung control. Ang mangyayari ngayon, so ano naman tayo ng choice kundi maghanap or better yet, absorb that additional cost sa rental natin. Naman sa pagpa-purchase ng sarili na nating bahay, kung niloan man natin ito, then fix lang. May fix lang tayo na premiums na babayaran all throughout the term ng loan nyo. And of course, sa inyo pa yung bahay. Punta naman tayo sa maintenance na aspeto ng property. Siyempre, dun sa rental, since merong may-ari nitong property, then yung responsibility is solely nasa kanya in providing the maintenance and the repairs ng property na nire-rentahan nyo. Whereas, kung kayo na po may-ari ng bahay, then the full responsibility is already in you. Hindi lang sa maintenance, pati po yung sa mga taxes, sa property taxes. So, alam naman natin na merong real estate taxes yearly sa LGUs, even sa BIR. And yung obligation sa rental is that nasa owner ng property. Whereas, kung sa inyo talaga yung bahay na, no choice na, kayo na po magbabayad ng mga taxes. Those are the pros and cons of renting or buying a house. So again, it involves a major financial decision. So before we finalize that decision, let's weigh in our options, our circumstances, and our plans, before we make or commit a decision in owning our home na.